You want to learn how to earn money in Web3 with $0 investment? This is the video that is going to teach you. I'm sharing 6 ways that you can earn money in Web3 with $0 investment. You don't need money, you don't need capital. Just get in and get paid. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unika Adedayo. I'm a full stack marketer and community builder. I've been in the Web3 ecosystem for about 4 years now, and I'm going to be sharing with you in this video every single thing I know about how you can make money in Web3 with $0 investment. If you've not already hit the subscribe button, please make sure that you do. Now, if you're here and you're wondering what is Web3, I have an explainer blog that you can read. It details every single thing you need to know about Web3. I also have another resource that I'm going to put in the video description that gives you so many tips: who to follow if you want to get into the Web3 ecosystem, communities to join, opportunities that you can use to earn, and things like that. I'm going to link it in the video description. But now, over to the focus for today. One of the first ways that I found that you can make money in Web3 is through live streaming. Live streaming is not a new concept. I mean, you're live streaming every day on TikTok, you're live streaming on YouTube and things like that. But in the Web3 ecosystem, there's a platform called pom.fun. Originally, it was used to create meme tokens, right? But now I realize that people are live streaming on pom.fun and getting paid daily for it, as high as 10,000 USD. Yes, you heard me right. All you have to do is go to pom.fun, create your profile, create a coin, and then you'll be given access to live stream. You can make the coin have information about your personal self. If you're going to be like live streaming, your personal brand and things like that, make a coin that is in your name, and then put in all the necessary details, put in your social media links, and create your coin. And then you'll be given access to live stream. Once you're live streaming and people are participating, engaging, you are getting paid by the minute, guys. It's that easy. So if you want to check this out, I'm going to put the link directly in the video description so you can check it out for yourself. But please, this is not a financial advice, so make sure that you're applying all these things with caution. The next thing we're going to talk about is jobs. In the Web3 ecosystem, it's just like the normal everyday life, right? People are looking for marketers, they are looking for designers, they are looking for developers, they are looking for so many talents, right? So if you have a talent, you can get into the Web3 ecosystem and offer your services. You can do animations, you can do UI UX design, so many skills that you can offer in the Web3 ecosystem. And the best part is it is a new ecosystem. So there's so many new opportunities that are being created within the ecosystem that may not even exist in like everyday interaction or everyday life. For example, you can be a metaverse architect, right? I mean, in the normal sense of it, you have normal architects, but now with the metaverse in the Web3 ecosystem, you find out that people are looking for metaverse architects, right? You can be an NFT designer, you can be an intern. Yes, you can intern under people to manage their social media platforms. You can do virtual assisting for popular influencers in the Web3 ecosystem and KOLs. You can be a community manager, a moderator, a marketer, a podcaster. You can be a spoken word artist. There's so many things that you can do in the Web3 ecosystem and get paid. So if you have a skill, guys, you have to get in and get paid, like I said. Now, another way that you can earn money in Web3 without any investment at all is by participating in competitions. Competitions are in two ways. There are bounties and there are hackathons. Bounties are usually tags that are created by organizations to generate buzz around their products or to just get people talking about them, right? And then hackathons are usually a competition where people come together to build stuff and they get paid. For instance, right now the Edera hackathon is ongoing and they are giving out over 1 million USD to participants. So if you create a project or you join a team and build something cool and you launch it, you pitch it, and you win, you're going to get a share inside the 1 million USD. If you know that you are skilled and if you know that, okay, competitions are your thing, maybe you want to go the hackathon route. Now, under bounties, you have things like content creation, um, creating memes, doing videos, writing threads, basically anything that you can do creatively. There are also platforms where you go to and you see bounties for maybe advanced technical concepts, right? There's like one platform, I will remember the name and I'll put it in the video description. There is one platform that rewards people who participate in bug bounties. What are bug bounties? You're going to be reviewing lines of code, different projects release their codes, and your own responsibility is to review it and try to see if it can be hacked or if you can find a bug. Now, for doing this, you're going to get paid. So you can just figure out for yourself which one you want to do. And the next thing you want to focus on is X to N. I'm sure you must have heard things like play to earn, you must have heard things like read to earn, learn to earn, give to earn, and things like that, or donate to earn. Guys, it exists. For just learning about certain concepts, you can be earning crypto. There are platforms that let you do that. If you go to Google and just type learn to earn platforms, you will see so many. There are also platforms that allow you to play to earn. Play to earn basically means you're playing games and you're earning money for playing games. It is that simple. There is also donate to earn. So I'll talk a bit about donations when I go to the next point. But when you participate in these donations, you can get whitelisted. Whitelisting basically means that they will shortlist your wallet address to receive a particular amount just because you donated. Then you also have move to earn that rewards you when you do exercises. Just type move to earn on Google, guys. You're going to see so many platforms that will pay you for doing exercises, for keeping fit. Yes, it is possible, and you can take advantage of it too. Now, the next thing we'll talk about on how you can earn money in Web3 is airdrops. I did not want to lead with airdrops because I feel like, okay, everybody already knows about airdrops. But just in case you don't know about airdrops, airdrops are an easy way for you to earn money in Web3. All you have to do is participate in tax and you get whitelisted to earn money. For instance, there was a particular time when Notcoin was trending. Everybody was tapping to earn, and at the end of the day, people made like 100 USD, 110 USD, 70 USD, so much in rewards just by participating in that game. So you can look for airdrops and participate in them. Just go on X and search airdrops. You will see so many, so many, so many airdrops that are ongoing right now and you can be a part of. There are two kinds of airdrops. You have the normal airdrops where you don't have to put in any money to earn, and you also have retroactive airdrops. For the focus of this video, we're not going to talk about retroactive airdrops because there you have to commit money, you have to use money to do certain things. But I'm talking about airdrops that you don't need to pay any money. You just maybe need to mine something, tap something, complete tax, and you get rewarded. Yes, they exist and you can find them on X. Now, moving on, the next thing we'll talk about is public goods funding. What is public goods funding? This is when a collection of people come together to donate to projects that they feel are valuable to the Web3 ecosystem. So if you're a developer and you build something that is very, very, very useful, right, you can list it on a public goods platform and people donate to you. Last year, Optimism did their retro PFG round and they gave out over 1 million USD in donations to projects that were listed on their platform. But then there are usually qualifications, so you have to meet the qualifications before you're able to list your project. And you need to understand the kind of funding that is being carried out. There are things like quadratic funding and other types of funding out there. You need to figure out, okay, what format are these guys going in and understand it before you list your project so that you don't end up listing your project and not getting anything. The next thing we'll talk about here is the lazy way to earn money in Web3 without any investment. It is giveaways. Yes, there are projects every single day on X that are doing giveaways. You participate in a giveaway, you win, you collect your money. It's not that hard. They can tell you, oh, drop a comment, like, repost. As simple as that, guys. You'll be walking away with 50 USD, you'll be walking away with 100 USD. As simple as that. Yes, it is possible. So these are the ways that I have for you on how you can earn money in Web3. Please, this is not a financial advice. Make sure that you do your own research before you begin to do any of these things to avoid losing personal information. Make sure that you are careful, right, in your bid to make free money in Web3. There are so many platforms out there that are looking out to scam, to hurt, and to destroy. So you have to make sure that you don't fall prey. Okay. Now, if you need a community that can guide you and things like that, you can join my community. Just drop a comment in the chat, and I'm going to send you the link to join the community. This is everything we'll be talking about today. And if you've not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I just gave you money for free, guys. Like, hit the subscribe button. Yes. Bye.